This tutorial is on about the anatomy of circle of Willis. Circle of Willis, also called circulus arteriosus. The circle of Willis is hexagonal arterial circle that is situated at base of the brain in interpedunculaire fossa. It is formed by internal carotid artery and vertebral artery. The branches of internal carotid artery and vertebral basilar system gives the circle of Willis. Here, these two arteries are vertebral artery. These are vertebral artery that forms the basilar artery. This vertebral artery forms the basilar artery and gives the posterior cerebral artery. And this is internal carotid artery gives different branches, and finally the branches of internal carotid artery and the vertebral basilar artery joins together and forms the circle of Willis. This circle of Willis serves as a channel of collateral circulation in events of arterial occlusion, and it is formed by 9 arteries. It is formed by anterior communicating artery. Anteriorly, it is formed by anterior communicating artery. This is anterior communicating artery that is anteriorly helps to form the circle of Willis. And then anterolaterally is by anterior cerebral artery. The anterior cerebral artery anterolaterally forms the circle of Willis. Then laterally, the proximal segment of both internal carotid artery. This internal carotid artery laterally forms the circle of Willis. Then posterolaterally, this is posterior communicating artery. This posterior communicating artery forms posterolaterally, and then posteriorly this is the posterior cerebral artery. This is posterior cerebral artery that is branch of basilar artery forms the circle of Willis. So this is hexagonal arterial circle that is called circle of Willis that supplies the brain and serves as channel of collateral circulation in any events of arterial occlusion. For simplicity, we can understand by this figure about the circle of Willis. Here, this is circle of Willis. Here, this structure is circle of Willis, and it is formed by, we already talked, internal carotid artery. This is internal carotid artery in both sides, and here is vertebral artery that joining forms the basilar artery. So two main artery that forms the circle of Willis are internal carotid artery and vertebro-basilar system, that is basilar artery. And here the circle of Willis anteriorly is formed by, this is anterior communicating artery, and anterolaterally is formed by anterior cerebral artery, and laterally it is formed by internal carotid artery, and posterolaterally, this is posterolaterally by the posterior communicating artery, and in the posteriorly it is formed by posterior cerebral artery. This hexagonal structure is circle of Willis. So Anteriorly, it is formed by anterior communicating artery. Anterolaterally, it is formed by paired anterior cerebral artery. Laterally, formed by proximal segment of both internal carotid artery. Posterolaterally, by paired posterior communicating artery. And posteriorly, proximal segment of both posterior cerebral artery. This is about the formation of circle of Willis.